The inbounds pass comes into Jordan. Here's Michael at the foul line. A shot on Elo. Good! The Bulls win it! They win it! Set day, Cleveland.
What's up, YouTube fans? Swag Kicks here, and I'm giving y'all another sneaker review. And today has been a good day. Shoes came, and I don't know if y'all know, but Sneakers app did a surprise drop, and they did drop the Bred 4s, and me and my brother we was able to cop thanks to the J23 app. But let's go ahead and get into it, because y'all know about the sneaker and the origin. So bam, yes, the Air Jordan 4 Breds. Now, I always wanted these sneakers, and I would always look up this particular sneaker and try to find, you know, a pair that was close to being new, I guess. But most of the ones that I looked up on eBay or anywhere else, they were beat up, and I didn't want to spend. People were still like trying to get 200 out of these shoes. So when I first saw that Jordan was releasing these, and I was just like, yeah, I got a cop. I'm still unsure on if I want to double up on these, because they released May 4th, so it's an early review. I'm not sure if I want to double up yet, but man, in hand, man, oh my god, these are nice. I've been watching other YouTubers sneaker reviews on these shoes because they got theirs a little earlier than me. Everybody's been saying it's close to the retro. I haven't had a pair of the Bred 4s, and I wasn't able to get the 2012 pair, so I can't really compare or say, you know, that it's close to the OG, but from what I've been seeing, it is close to the OG. And just look at that Nike Air on the back, you guys. Just look. The materials on the shoe, they knock these out the park, man. Like, it's really nice. And this hang tag right here, nostalgic. So I'm just happy to have these. And ooh, and one thing I did notice, the tab on the back is not like my my white cements. This is like real loose, so I'm pretty sure it won't like rise up into my jeans or hit my ankle or anything. So that I thought that was pretty nice. And just and what I've been hearing too is my cement 4s, they have a chip beanie. So Jordan brand, kudos to y'all. And so I'm pretty sure these won't chip at the long periods of wearing. My Thunder 4s, they actually are chipping, but that was like way when those came out. So I'm happy I was able to cop these. Hopefully you guys are able to cop May 4th on the Sneakers app or whatever local whatever local sneaker store you want to use, Foot Locker, Foot Action, Finish Line, whatever. Hopefully y'all able to cop. Must cop, get these. That's all I'm saying. Like I said, y'all know the origin of this shoe and whatnot, so I'm not finna waste my time or breath on these, because y'all should know. Automatic cop. And I'm trying to still decide if I want to double up on these. But let's go ahead and get into the sneaker review. Swag Kicks them out. Make sure you check out my last videos that I had put up. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe if you're a first time viewer. But with all that being said, I'm out. Peace.